Hi everyone, thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. I'm Sang Kim. In this video, I would like to introduce some basic Excel functions to deal with matrix form data. Especially matrix computation is very helpful to understand statistical formula such as variance estimation in regression analysis. Let's try to learn matrix function from simple examples. I have prepared simple matrix data, A matrix, B matrix, and C matrix, and D matrix. So in Excel, I think the most important thing to understand matrix computation is about dimension. So as you can see, in order to calculate A times B, uh, this part must be same. Then we can get A times B matrix. Right. So A has 3 by 3 dimensions and B has 3 by 3 dimensions. Let's try to calculate A times B matrix. So select this yellow cell area and uh, M merged. This is matrix multiplication, and select array 1 from A, comma, select B matrix, right? Then close the form. And in Excel, in order to do matrix computation, you need to press Control Shift Enter together. So Control Shift Enter. Right. This is A times B matrix output. Right. The next one is about inverse of A matrix. Right. When you want to calculate inverse of A matrix, then select same dimension. So A has 3 by 3 dimension, so it should be same as you need to select 3 by 3, right? Then inverse, right, and select array here and close the form. Again, same. Press Ctrl Shift Enter. Right. This is inverse of A matrix. Right. Let's move on. Next example. So in this case, I want calculate A times transpose of C matrix, right? So C matrix has 2 by 3 dimensions. So again, same logic. A has 3 by 3, C has 2 by 3. So it means that you need to transpose C matrix to make 3 by 2 matrix. Okay. So merge and select A matrix, comma, and transpose and C matrix. Okay, again, press Ctrl Shift Enter. Right, this is A times transpose of C matrix. The next one is about determinant. So for this 2 by 2 matrix, if you calculate determinant, MDE, TERM, and array part here. In this case, you can just press enter, or you can press Ctrl Shift Enter, right? The only difference is that if you just press enter button, there is no matrix symbol. But in Excel, if you press Ctrl Shift Enter, then you can see this matrix symbol, right? Okay, let's try to understand more about determinant. Okay, so uh, let's think about two vectors. So 6, 2 here and 2, 5. Then we can think of area, square, area of square, this one. Okay. So I initially try to calculate the area of this gray area, right, from this square area. So we can see that the determinant value is same as this one. Okay, so we can say that in two dimension, determinant is same as area of this matrix, right? How about if you change first column and second column? So 2,5, 2,5, 6,2. Then, as you can see, the symbol, sign has been changed from plus to minus. So determinant actually, if you change first vector and second vector, you can get different sign of determinant. So it means that how you see this matrix, you can see from this side, or you can see from backward side. This is the concept of determinant. The last one is about regression coefficients. Right, this is simple regression data. In order to do regression analysis in Excel, you need to think about add this vector. So it means that we typically give a name for this green matrix as design matrix. So in many statistical books, you will find this formula. In this case, X means design matrix. Then you can easily calculate beta hat. Right, let me show you. Right. Okay. One of the tips to use Excel more efficiently is to give a name. So let's give a name for this one, orange one, as Y. And for this green matrix, let's give a name as X. Okay. Select these two. Right. Then let's think about M inverse and M merged. Sorry. Okay. M inverse, M merged, transpose X, comma X. Okay. And then M merged, transpose X, and merged, comma, and Y. And finally, press Ctrl Shift Enter. Right. This is estimated regression coefficients. So let's check by Excel built-in function. Let's say intercept on Y is from J column, comma, X from L column. Okay. For B1, you can use slope function. Y vector, comma, and X vector. Right. Same as this one. So in this video, I wanted to show you how to use, how to do matrix computation by using M-merged function and M-inverse function and M-merged and transpose and determinant. We can apply this Excel built-in function for statistical analysis by matrix computation. I hope it was useful for you to understand how to do matrix computation in Excel. Please click like and subscribe if it was useful for you. Thank you.